This is our group. We're gonna be making carne asada today. This is Emmanuel Leiva, Johnny Hernandez, and me, Javier Sanchez. First of all, safety first. Get an apron. Our utensils we're gonna need: spatula, this thing to flip the meat. Grab some stuff. We use the onion to clean the grill. That'll be all for now.
Mejor ni me estorben para que se ubiquen y vale más que se quiten. Si no me conocen primero pregunten y si no pues ya les dije me voy por la puerta y digo las rejas porque yo no soy de sombras, yo soy de negocios y sé firmar cuentas. A mí me dicen el Doria. Yo no soy violento, usaré violencia, pero no más no se arriben, todo a su momento mantuve paciencia para yo salirme libre. Sé que no estoy solo, sé que tengo un ángel, el que siempre me ha cuidado. No pido permiso, tan solo consejos del Chapo y del Mayo. No soy un rebelde, conservo el respeto que le tengo a los señores. Los grandes de arriba están muy conscientes de todas mis decisiones. De veras me estiman, pues soy de su gente. Aunque soy independiente, me he hecho amistades muy grandes y fuertes, como con la de Vicente. Soy inteligente, lo sabe mi gente, siempre me la he rifado. Yo tengo mi ambiente, ya estaba enfadado de llevármela encerrado. En casos como este, bronco no hay de otra.
Now we're gonna be cooking cactus. It's another traditional cooking we do over there in Mexico. Daily type of cooking too. Here we're also cooking some bell peppers, nice and grilled. Right here in this foil, we're gonna be cooking some onions. We're gonna be cooking some onions right here, nice and cooked. Right here we're cooking some hot dogs.
Cierro por el hielo y no me da frío, mucho menos me congelo. No tengo enemigos, pero no me aguantan. Cuando yo me les caliento, ahí en la academia, la vida no es mala, tan solamente se aprende.
Hey guys, ready for the chip? Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice. Dang. Alright, first of all, one of the chemistry concepts we're gonna cover is safety while cooking. The safety we used while cooking was when you guys see me in the video using an apron. Another safety, we have water just in case there's a overfire, and I also have a fire extinguisher next to the fireplace. Uh, Another thing we used, our cookware, was we used a spatula, and there were some, I don't know how to call it, some things like that. And that's pretty much it. The second chemistry concept we're going to be covering is heat. The heat we had from the coals coming up to the meat was radiation, direct heat. So that's pretty much it for the heat concept. The third chemistry concept we're going to be covering is fuels. The fuels we used was lighter fluid to start the coals up. And the lighter fluid helped us burn up the coals, which got us a fire. which helped us cook our meat. The fourth chemistry concept we're going to be covering is our proteins. Our proteins we had was in the meat, chicken, and chorizo. The fifth chemistry concept we're going to be covering is boiling.
Why are you eating chips?
Alright, boiling. Boiling. Alright, so to be able to do the rice first, we boil some water. And after the water, all the other steps for the rice was made. Alright, thank you. So this was our carne asada video. Thanks for watching.
Hope you like it.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.